Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I expect that you are all good by the Almighty Graceful Allah. I am also good and happy by the Almighty Merciful Allah. Today I am here, you can see behind me there are many boys playing football with enjoy in the rain, and the air coming slowly and the rain falling down very slowly. It is not heavy rain, by the way. Totally it is the very wonderful environment. When we was children we play football like this, but now we are adult, that's why we cannot play like children. Thus we grow up our adult and our old age, and we forget our childhood life. We forget cricket, football, many other games. When we are children, we play many games. Day by day, we forget everything. We run to achieve our success, to achieve our dream. That's why we forget our childhood life. We forget to play football, to play cricket, to enjoy, to gossip like this, like the children, like the boys. You can see there are many boys playing football. When they become adult, totally the environment very wonderful, very excellent, and it is rainy season, that's why rain fall in the soil. So no more today, see you later. Allah Hafiz.